there guys, so it's 6 p.m. Yeah, okay, we've been here quite a few hours and been messing about with other stuff today. So first off, I brought my other compressor back, and yeah, I've sort of linked it up into a twin compressor system so that when I'm really hammering this one, that it can still keep up, because it just slightly struggled to keep up if you're using it for a really long time, does this one. So once this drops down to about 80 psi, that one kicks in and helps bring it back up again, which is great. So that's taken us a while to set up, work out, tweak the regulators and everything. Brought that from home, which I forgot I'd lying about my shed water trap, which then now goes up to my reel, which I have kind of fixed from when I melted it. I don't know, I think I told you guys there was a pinhole in it there somewhere, and it's still got a little hiss to it, but I've bodged it enough for today, and I reckon I can completely stop the leak with something I can bring from home tomorrow. Anyways, so yeah, that's that. I've had a bit of a tidy up, and I've done a new manifold clamp on that. Well, tried to, it was the wrong size, I had to put the old one back on. I was a bit pissed off. Anyway, I want to just try and get even half an hour's worth of work in on this before I go home. So yeah, these strengthening bits here, where the rear subframe mounts onto, are going to have to come off, because as you can see around the edge of there, it's crispy underneath there. It's going to need repairs, and the boot floor has actually disappeared on the other side of this just here. That is just the stiffening panel. There's no panel at the other side of that, so that's going to have to come off. So yeah, we'll maybe try and get these off, because I think the other side is going to need the same. So we'll try and get those off today, or at least one of them. We'll do what we can in, well, about half an hour. I'd like to be home by 7ish, but we'll see. Anyway, we'll do what we can in that time. So let's crack on with that, shall we? Right, okay then guys, so there seems to be quite a lot of hidden spot welds in this, that you can't see or feel them anywhere, but they are there, and I'm just ended up bending the whole rest of the boot floor around the area now, just jabbing the screwdriver and trying to prise it off, so it's not going to work. So I'm going to have to just grind this down, peel it back, grind it down, peel it back till we get through and find all the spot welds. So yeah, that's unfortunate, but there we go. I've had enough for today, but I'll be back in the morning and we'll carry on. So yeah, that'll just be a snap of a finger for you guys. So yep, let's carry on with this right now for you, I guess. And we're back. That's probably some terrible editing you've just seen right there. Oh well. Anyway, yeah, let's get to this, grind off these things today and see where we can get to, really. Okay then guys, so that's all we've got time for today. We've got this plate completely off here. There's just this little bit on this edge here which was part of the valance closing panel, I think, which you need to tear off next time, but that won't take long. So yeah, it's a good job we did take this off, because it's really thin metal underneath, and it's got into holes in a few places really easily. Big hole there as well. So yeah, it's all going to need cutting out and replacing for sure. So yeah, good job we took that off. We'll have to do the same at the other side as well. But so that's all we've got time for today. My friend's just about to arrive with a BMW Mini, which is in need of a service. So yeah, we're going to do that, and I think I'm going to record it. So yeah, you'll get to see that hopefully. So yeah, there we go. There it is for now, in the same old sorry state. So yeah, cheers for watching guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.